My favorite SUV just got better. A fully loaded Elite. Everything from the contrast of this black piping that goes all the way down the vehicle. I'll show you in a couple areas. This new soft touch right here is so comfortable. I'm sitting on it now. You also got the perforated leather. The perforated leather is going to help when it comes to your ventilated seats. So you have 3 levels of ventilated seats. You also have heated seats as well. This is where you're going to control your climate. You can turn it off like this as such, or we also have a rear climate control, so you can turn that on and off if you want to control your rear climate. Right here on the left hand side is your multimedia port. This multimedia port right here is going to control your over 12 inches on the new screen. You have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. So if you don't want to do the wireless connection right here, you can connect via your wire. Now you also have something in this vehicle exclusive to this. It's called Cabin Talk. Cabin Talk is going to allow you to speak on the PA system to your rear passengers. So as you can see, I'm looking at the back seat, but I can also talk, and hopefully you can hear me there. Cabin Talk is great because you're going to use it whenever you're speaking to your rear passengers here. So rather than driving and looking back like this, you're allowed to keep your eyes on the road. Go ahead and turn it off now. And you can look up like such, and you can make conversation with your rear passengers. Now, you also have the home link right here as well. The home link is going to be fantastic. I have this on my property, and it works great. You have any questions, you can email me, Tracy Honda Insider at tracyhonda.com, or one of our 5-star reviewed brand ambassadors can help you out. Heated steering wheel as well. Multi-informational displays controlled right here. See right there? You're going to put all kinds of things on the right-hand side. You have an active avatar, so if I put the vehicle in drive, you see how put the vehicle in reverse, you see that right there, put the vehicle on park. So let go of the brakes, hit the brakes, put the blinkers on. See how it's flashing right there on the bottom left? Not flashing, flashing. So there's that. You can open up your power lifting tailgate here. All of the windows are one click down. Blindside information is now on that mirror. It used to be here in previous generations. You also have Post premium sound system. And then that bezel that's all the way around right there, well, that's for a heated side mirror. Heated side mirror, you could also fold those mirrors in, or you could fold those mirrors out right there, whichever works best for you. One click up as well, so all the windows will do that for you. And here it is. You have the function package, which is the Pilot all-weather mats right there. You got the door sill. You got the plastic coverings right here, the protective film over each one of these handles. And then Honda also put it on the rear bumper applique right here. Installed by the factory. So it starts right here. It goes all the way across. See, installed by Honda. Then you have the adventure package, which is this roof foundation right here, and the running boards right there that have Pilot right there embossed. 20-inch wheels made for the Elite. One of my favorite features on a fully loaded vehicle now is the walk away. Oh, I gotta put the key on me. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This is such a great feature. Such a great feature. You're gonna absolutely love it. And that's why I say, come on down, get your professional demonstration, VIP test drive, and see exactly how this works for you. Watch this. Walk away, self-lowering power tailgate. Just loaded. This vehicle's completely loaded. Your second row passengers have a privacy shade. If you're not going to use this right here, that armrest can, and that middle seat right there can come out. Simply lift this right here, and it'll drop that down. Borrow this right here. You pull this handle right here. It'll release. Where's the tab at? Sorry, folks. I'm used to grabbing it from the other side, so here it is. Grab this tab right here. Give that a pull, and then check that out. Comes right off. Put it in the bar. Boom, and it'll drop. You also have the privacy shade on here that goes across and completely covers the whole third row. Once you remove that, you have a pass through. Otherwise, there's your third row. Third row also has high-speed USB-Cs and ventilations on each side. Just a great, great looking vehicle. I try to keep these under 5 minutes, but when you're making an investment such as such, you definitely want to know what's covered, what's in it, what you're getting for your investment. High-speed USB-Cs, standard plug. Your two outer seats, not the middle seat, are heated as well. So that seat and this seat right here are heated. And there it is. There it is. Let's go ahead and wrap around your walk around right here. End it with your Maroni sticker. The new grille right here. New front end right here for your 2026 Pilot. Air vents on the back next to your LED fog lamps. Front washer, chrome lip. Just a great looking machine for an MSRP of $57,840. Don't forget to like and subscribe.